Clearly, the first thoughts is for those that work in the industry, those are numbers that confirm what we already know. And whether they're individual reports or aggregated or local point in time counts, it's almost a unanimity across both the province and country, North America. There are pockets of success. There are small cities and places where interventions have led to a decrease, but those are few and far between. And the reality is, post-COVID, post economic turn, just look at housing prices, post opioid crisis. I shouldn't say post, but during all those contributing factors, we know that the percentage is not just increased; it's increasing to the point where it's not just outpacing current staff's ability. Unfortunately, it's outpacing the plans that were put in place by both the provincial and federal government and local communities. So, the Built for Zero campaign and the campaigns and national strategies that have been put in place and the way that those are executed locally, most of them were very intricate, detailed, and planned out, and very challenging, even though they were really well done. A lot of them. I think that they were a challenge to begin with, and they were done so with a very different climate. And so one of the things that report can hopefully indicate is our planning from a local and provincial level and all the way up. It needs immediate review because the things that are in place, while not bad, they were just meant for a different climate. And in terms of investment, I think there's not anybody that works in this sector, or really most communities, that doesn't believe a further investment is needed to help solve this thing. It's just a matter of where does that go, and what's the best way forward. And the thing I would say is, I believe those investments need to be heavily dichotomized to both short and long term. And so the thing that we need obviously access to is immediate care and housing. Like, people need more medical, mental health care, community-based support right now, and that's not complex. It's difficult, but not complex. And people need more housing. So the best way we can invest in more different types of affordable housing, whether it's purpose-built, government-built, whether it's things that help incentivize private builds that are appropriate, or anything in between, nonprofits getting more into housing. Those are all immediate things, but also investment in longer term strategies